So we are starting with a new chapter, that is simple interest. Now some basic knowledge about simple interest. Simple interest is imposed by the lender on the borrower. Now borrower is a person who is in need of money and takes money, and lender is a person who gives money. So the lender imposes some amount of interest on the borrower which he takes back when the borrower returns the money to him. Now there is one more thing, that is amount. Amount is the total of simple interest and the principal. Now let us give you some formulae of simple interest. To find the simple interest, SI is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. And to find out the amount, simple interest plus principal. Now SI is equal to P into R into T by 100 is divided into 3 subdivisions. If you want to find out the principal, we use the formula SI into 100 by R into T. To find out the rate, we use the formula SI into 100 by R into P into T. To find out the time, we use the formula SI into 100 by P into R. Now I would like to give you some tips related to time. Now always try to convert the time in year. And now if the time is mentioned in days and you want to convert it into an year, then we have to divide it by 365. And in some special cases, if it is a leap year, it will be mentioned in the question and you have to take 366 days. Let's take an example. If the total time period in the question is 100 days, and if you want to convert it into year, we will divide it by 365. And in some questions, there is the time period is given in months. To convert it into year, we divide it by 12. Like if time period is 6 months, then we will convert it in year by dividing by 12, that is 1 by 2. Sorry. I would like to give you an example. The example is Astha borrowed rupees 4,000 from a bank at a rate of 12% per annum for 2.5 years. Find the interest and amount paid by her. Now here in this question, we know the principal, that is rupees 4,000. We know the rate, that is 12%. We know the time, that is 2.5 years. And when we convert into mixed fraction, we get 5 by 2 years. Now to find the simple interest, we know the formula, that is P into R into T by 100. And on placing the values, we get the simple interest as rupees 1200. Now to find out the amount, we know the formula that amount is equal to simple interest plus principal. Simple interest we have taken out, that is rupees 1200, and we know the principal, that is rupees 4000. Simple interest then we get the amount, that is 5200. Now another example. In how many years will rupees 750 amount to rupees 900 at 4% per annum? In this we have to find out the time. Here we know that the amount here given is rupees 900. The principal is rupees 750 and the rate here is 4%. Now to find out the simple interest, we will do amount minus principal. Amount is 900, principal is 750. On minusing we get rupees 150. Now rupees 150 is the simple interest. We know the formula that simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. On putting the values, we get the time as 5 years. In this question you can solve it by other formula also, that is T is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. Now I will be giving you some questions that you will have to solve it in your fair copy, and these both examples should be solved in your classwork copy. Thank you.